Okay, so guys, I've gotten this question quite a time. The reason I've not put out YouTube videos, rather I've been doing reels. This is because I have what is it called? My laptop has a bit of installation I have to do on it, and it's been taking me so much time. And my tablet too has it's been giving me hanging issues, which I don't know where it's coming from. And my phone fell down and the screen broke. I'm using my other phone, the iPhone, plus the other phone which I don't like to use to edit videos. So but I'm gonna be sorting this out probably this week or next week. I have videos already just for me to edit them, okay? And then I'm gonna edit them soon, then I'll send it across. This is just to pass this information because quite people are concerned why I haven't posted video, very unlike me, because my consistency is top notch, okay? So, but with that being said, watch my reels. If you've not subscribed, subscribe, okay? On this channel, you learn Igbo seamlessly, with vibes and sweetness and, okay, beautiful face.